How to upload music in Spotify in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upload music to Spotify in 2024, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to upload music to Spotify in 2024, what you got to do is actually simply open up your browser. Then you can simply open up a new tab, and then all you have to do is just go to artist.spotify.com. So go to artist.spotify.com and you will see this type of interface over here. And over here you simply want to make sure to log into your normal Spotify account, and then tap the three lines option and go to the get access tab. Now you have to claim your profile, whether you're an artist manager or a label team member. So depending upon what kind of profile you want to claim, just select that, and after you do that, tap on claim an artist profile, confirm if this is the right Spotify account and tap on yes. Then simply search for the artist profile that you want to claim, and once you claim your artist profile, your account will get created, and after that you can come to the Spotify for Artists tab to upload music on Spotify. This way you'll be able to upload music on Spotify for Artists. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.